Good morning, middle school families. I just wanted to do a quick update video for you so you know what's all happening, and some of you prefer to have it via video versus the newsletter. So a couple things that you should be aware of. First off, we do not have school on Monday. It is a planned in-service that we have every year on the Monday of MEA, and so there will be no school for any student on Monday. The schedule is changing just a little bit for our 7th and 8th grade students, and so where you have had Wednesday as a distance learning day, it will now be an every other day. So students will come to school. They will start on a B day on Tuesday, and so it will be BA, and then I have the next 2 weeks or the end of our quarter planned out for you, so you can see what that looks like in our newsletter. There have been some big shifts with transportation, and so I know although that's a challenge for many, it also is a celebration for many, as we will have students on the bus for much shorter times, and we really worked with Palmer Bus Service to shore that up. And so students will be dropped off at 7:55 or 8:05. There will be 2 times that students will be dropped off. And I have some notes in there about how we can possibly make that easier. There is a shuttle bus or mini shuttle buses that will go in between that your student could hop on at one campus or the other if you have children in both campuses, Glenwood and the main campus or the high school campus. As well as if you need support for your child between 7:30 and 7:55, please give our office a call. You can connect with Kristen or myself. Heidi Weller is another person in our community ed office that we can talk with as well. Conferences are happening now, and many have already met with you, but if you haven't, just know they're happening now, and we have until the end of next week to connect. And so at any point, though, that you need to speak with your child's teacher, have any concerns, please do so. 7th and 8th grade, you have a parent view, and so you can check in on your child's grades regularly and know what assignments are missing on a regular basis. Lastly is the COVID decisions. On this newsletter, just so you are aware, there is a place on our website under the COVID-19 tools that really walk you through the decisions of who should come to school, or if someone's sick in your home, what do you do? And so we follow the decision tree created by the Department of Health and the Department of Education to know what to do when children need to stay home, or who should stay home in the family if someone has symptoms. And so please, if you have questions, certainly check in there. You can always call our offices as well. They're open as early as 7:30, and we can further help you make some decisions on what's best for your children and families if you need that. We thank you for your partnership and for joining us through this challenging year. We know that none of us signed up to teach or learn in a pandemic, and so there's been lots of things that have been shifted or changed or just different, and we appreciate all that you are doing to help your child be successful. I hope you have a safe and great MEA break, and we'll see you again on Tuesday. Thanks, guys.